Are there alternatives to tarmac for quick driveway pothole repairs? Rapid set concrete works well for deeper holes when you need structural strength. Mix per manufacturer directions and compact the base before pouring, then screed and finish while it sets so you avoid weak cold joints. Cold asphalt is user-friendly for shallow to medium potholes. Clean and tack the area. Press the material in layers with firm compaction, using a hand tamper or the back of a shovel, and dress the surface to shed water so it bonds and resists freeze and thaw cycles. Patch repair kits usually include a pre-mixed compound or a resin and aggregate blend that cures at ambient temperature. Follow pot life and curing time instructions, remove all loose material first, use a bonding primer if provided, and work in thin layers for better adhesion. Hot mix asphalt is the most durable for matching existing pavements but requires equipment and heat, so call a contractor who can deliver and lay it the same day, because cooling before compaction will reduce lifespan. When pros do it, they clean the hole, tack the edges, place hot material, compact and lifts, and finish edges for a seamless joint. Urethane-based fillers expand slightly and are excellent for narrow cracks and small potholes, where flexibility matters. Inject or pour slowly, tool to shape before cure, and allow full cure before trafficking. For a temporary emergency fix, you can also use a combination of compacted clean aggregate and one of the binders above to restore function quickly, while you schedule a more permanent repair. 3 common issues come up when people try alternatives and how to handle each one. Poor bonding to the existing surface causes early failure, so always remove dust, grease, and loose material. Dry the hole if possible, and use a primer or tack coat when the product recommends it. Inadequate compaction leads to settling and repeat potholes, so fill in passes, compress firmly between additions, and use a heavy hand tamp or rented plate compactor for wider repairs. Attempting a permanent repair with a quick temporary product is tempting but usually short-lived, so label repairs in your records. Plan for a full depth or hot mix repair down the line, and if the area is load-bearing, schedule a contractor sooner rather than later. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners compare these patch options and find local contractors who can supply hot mix or perform permanent resurfacing work, and it guides contractors to nearby jobs that match their services. We also host a discussion community where users and professionals share real-world tips, product experiences, and step-by-step advice so we can all make better repair decisions together.